Welcome to this NRF Grey May Brain Tumour Research Action or Research Update Day. So this must be about the fifth one of these we've held in this building. And so really it's an opportunity for us as researchers to talk a little bit about our research that's going on in the brain tumour space. I'm Professor Stuart Pitson. I'm the NRF Chair of Brain Tumour Research here at Adelaide University, and I'll be your MC for today. First, we acknowledge that we meet on the lands of the Kaurna people and recognise their spiritual connections to the land and pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. So I say this every year, but the brain tumour research environment here in Adelaide continues to grow. Really, we've grown from what was very little a decade ago, and now we have quite an enormous research environment in brain tumour here. A few years ago, this catalysed the development of Brain Tumour Research SA, which is a collaboration with the NRF. But the idea is it brings together scientists and clinicians and allied health people actively working in the brain tumour space in Adelaide together to try and advance more research and to develop fundamental discoveries through to better therapies for patients here in Adelaide. And you can see, this is actually not even the most up-to-date list, but there's an enormous number of people that are involved in brain tumour research in Adelaide. I think BTRSA currently has membership of around 90. So that's the people that are actively working towards better cures for brain tumours here just in Adelaide. Probably the biggest coordinated group of brain tumour researchers in the country. So we meet in this building here at Adelaide University. It used to be UniSA, but now Adelaide University, because really most of the fundamental brain tumour research happens probably here. There are other, and we'll hear about today, other points at SAMRI, a few doors down, and some at Flinders as well. But probably most of it happens in this building. And so part of the idea today is to give you an update of the brain tumour research, some projects that are going on. Obviously with this number of people actively in the space, there's a lot of different projects happening. But we'll give you a flavour of some of the things that are happening, some of the projects that have been funded by the donations that have come through the Neurosurgical Research Foundation to the researchers, and some of the advances that are being made. There's a series of 6 talks that will be held today, each very short talks, time for questions afterwards. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask afterwards, after each talk. And then there'll be opportunities after that to be able to talk with the individuals, both those who are speaking and other researchers around. Most of the people that you might want to talk to are wearing yellow badges. I've got a special badge, but they've got a yellow badge. And then after these talks are finished, we'll have opportunities for tours of the labs that are here. So we've got 4 tour guides that are going to take these 4 groups of people around the labs, just to give you a flavour of what a research lab looks like and what sort of our day-to-day activities look like. So without any further ado, I want to start the talks, and the first speaker is one of our very precious research active neurosurgeons, Dr. Adam Wells, who's based at the Royal Adelaide Hospital and Adelaide University, and he's going to talk about clearing the roadblocks, enhancing CAR T effects in clinical trials. So thank you, Adam.